Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gemini crypto wallet account, fast access step by step clearly. To begin logging into your Gemini crypto wallet account, navigate to your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Gemini website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the login button, usually found at the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter your verification code. This code will be sent to your registered mobile device or email. After filling in your credentials, check to ensure that all information is accurate. Once confirmed, click on the login button to access your account. If your information is correct, you will be logged into your Gemini wallet account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Follow the prompts to recover or reset your password, and then return to the login page. Repeat the previous steps to log in again. Once inside your account, you can navigate the dashboard to manage your crypto assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.